On this week's episode of Bayou Wild TV, an upland bird hunter enjoys her inaugural South Louisiana teal season.
Biggest difference for me was the speed of the bird flying. It was definitely the fastest bird I've ever seen fly.
While a lifetime of hunting prowess showcases a true passion for the outdoors.
When I was a little kid, my grandfather called me Quank because I'd walk around all the time with a duck call.
Plus, Louisiana's authority in Cajun and Creole cooking prepares a masterful recipe passed down from a fellow outdoorsman.
I stole the recipe and I never mentioned his name again.
We're celebrating adventure, sportsmanship, and heritage with some wonderful waterfowl.